Hi, Kelly. I understand you called.
Well, hi, Steve. Boy, I'm glad you're right in the area. Hey, her arborvitae needs some big help. What can we do about it?
Yeah, this actually is an insect-related problem. It's arborvitae leaf miner. Joyce has been thinking this is actually winter damage.
Exactly, wasn't it, Joyce?
We did.
Yeah.
We thought it was related to icy wind.
Yeah, there's a lot of it occur in the area, and it can be prevented, and the hedge can be still saved, even though it looks pretty
Well, I'm
beat up.
glad you said that before we cut any of them down.
Yeah, no, don't do that yet. I've seen a lot of them revived and saved and so forth.
So John can leave the chainsaw in the garage.
That's correct.
Now,
yeah.
what does she need to do to save them?
What you need to do is really apply a pesticide. There really aren't any other methods to control the insect in terms of getting rid of it.
It can be sprayed on?
It can be sprayed on. You as a homeowner can do it, or you can contact a commercial pesticide applicator and they can come by and spray it.
Well, great.
Now, Steve, the ones that are in the sun look a lot healthier than these puny ones back here in the shade. I mean, is that also a problem?
Yeah, the ones in the sun have been able to fight off the insect problems a little bit better, whereas the ones in the shade, they're stressed by the shade as well as by the insects. So it's kind of a compounded problem, so they're not bouncing back as quickly as you're seeing the ones in the sun.
So where can we double check that this problem for the arborvitae?
Yeah, you can bring it down to a state lab in Augusta, insect and disease lab, through the Maine Forestry Service, and they'll verify that you have the problem and let you know on what should be done with it and how one should treat it.
Well, congratulations, Joyce. It looks like you still have an arborvitae shrub and that you don't have to rip it down. It looks like we might be able to save